Those dirty ass rats at.
You still trying to shoot a rat? Oh,
Shot
shit,
a rat.
got his ass.
Cash sent money to
That's
Thug.
all you.
Wham sent money to Thug. Drake sent hella bankroll to Thug. Gunna didn't send no money to Thug. What's on me?
Oh, this machine gun.
W new rifle, yes sir. I mean, you know what I meant to say. Oh, jerk.
Oh,
Straight to the eye.
headshot. Hold on,
3 shots to the head, still alive.
Yeah, where you at?
Dealing with Robin Hood up here. Uh-oh.
Dump this shit.
Dude. Oh, I forgot about the dog.
Damn.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he just tanked
They
it.
on your
He
ass.
just tanked it. Sure. Wait, where'd it? Lucky I can't teabag. Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Almost killed both of us.
Oh wait, did you check the other way?
Nope. Oh shit, you're right.
We ain't really with that talking, bitch. We about that action.
That action.
You not about that life, man. Catch him
Man,
in
catch him in
traffic.
traffic.
Ain't really with that talking, man. We love that
Love
action.
that action.
I love so many niggas.
Turned into a savage. In real life, no movie shit, bitch, we clapping. Damn, I haven't thought
Hey.
about that in a long time.
There go the big boy. Oh my
Damn.
gosh.
He straight folded your ass. Man, if you...
Oh my gosh.
Damn. That's on me. Got yourself killed there. Ooh, hold on, I grabbed some shotgun shells. I'm gonna give them to you after I take old boy out.
How did the dog get up here? Oh my gosh. hurt.
Hurry!
All right, I'm no good here. I die here a lot, so I'm
Let's see. I actually don't have any space for that. Wow.
I'll hold it.
Okay. I believe.
Wait, don't we get the sniper here or something? Maybe I'm misremembering. I think I'm remembering wrong.
That's actually insane now I think about it. Bro was prepared to go down with us as long as it meant taking us out.
Damn. I know you saw me miss all them damn shots. Oh god.
Come on!
Okay.
I meant to throw that further. Where did you come from? Whoa.
Whoa.
Come on!
Oop.
Where I'm from is 3 on a normal spell backwards. So anyway, I started blasting. Oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah, not blasting enough. Still got your ass. Ooh, sapphire.
Something's coming. Watch out!
It juked my bullet, by the way.
Damn. You got him. Want to see the ones.
No.
Is there an emblem over here? I mean, I'm probably remembering wrong.
There's a green herb down here.
Bro, just tanked a headshot. Where you going? Slow down.
Oh, come here real quick. Oh, never mind.
Are you gonna take that? Here, I'll give it to you.
Thanks.
That packed up inside a Maxima.
Oh, wait. Here they come, hooting and hollering. Anyways.
Well, anyway. Damn, broke ass. You ain't got no ammo for that pistol. I think he got him.
But anywho.
Alright, well, I think we're done.
Is that it? My boy, where y'all at?
Oh, this shit no block. Where the fuck y'all is that? Yeah. At that tag team. That shit.
You two okay?
No thanks to you.
HQ sent me in to provide air support. It's gonna get hot down there, so watch out.
Roger. Thanks, Kirk.
Wow, I didn't think HQ actually cared.
Damn. Okay, there you go. I'm getting them now. Oh, you know what? I
Confused where all
was
the enemies at.
misremembering. Huh?
So I'm confused where all the enemies at. I don't feel
Oh,
the
I
pressure
cleared they
at all.
bitch ass.
Oh,
I was sharpshooting them with my pistol. But
there's a
yeah,
green
I was,
herb up here.
I was misremembering the rifle is in that building up ahead.
You said what?
The rifle. It's
What
in
about
that
it?
building. It's coming up.
Oh, okay.
Damn, the whole gang was in there. Yeah, here it is. I mean, it's all
No
you
way.
if you have
No
the
way.
space for it. I
No
don't.
way.
What's that?
That ugly motherfucker juked 3 shots from my shotgun. Oh.
Hold on, I can mix a herb and then you can hand me the rifle ammo. Or okay, or that. That works too.
Stay frosty down there. You're almost at the station.
Hey, Frosty. Oh shit! You bitch! You dirty bitch! What the fuck? He popped out and did 90% of my health in one hit. Hold on, I gotta heal. That's some bullshit, bitch ass.
Thanks for the help.
What the fuck? I couldn't even aim. My fingers wasn't even on a controller good.
Come on!
Oops.
And got some shotgun for you. Here you go. Oh, you ain't even got space.
What do I
Alright,
do?
I'll hold it.
Oh.
What the fuck are those? Matheson HQ. I'm under attack by flying BOWs. I'm losing engine power.
Flying BOWs. Oh no.
I'm out of control. I'm going down. Mayday, mayday.
Kirk, what's going on? Come in, Kirk!
Kirk!
Reggie, Kurt.
HQ, the helicopter's been downed. All nearby units proceed to the crash site. Repeat, all nearby
They a little
units proceed to
casual
the
about
crash
their
site.
whole squad just getting murked.
Whole team showed up and got clapped. Bravo team, Kirk got shot out the sky. He was getting clapped.
Say hello to my little friend. Oh wait. Oh my gosh, I have no. Hold on. Let me live. Oh look, they're twins.
Oh yeah, I got shotgun fight. Oh wait, I forgot. Still no space. I'll hold the shotgun for you then.
Got some now.
Okay, perfect. Here.
I hear somebody breathing real hard through the door. I'm pretty sure.
I'm gonna get the drop
Just
on
hears
him. Watch.
Yeah, like yeah, there it is.
Yeah, my animation takes a lot longer than yours.
Whoa! Straight to the spawn. It hurt.
I guess I'll grab it. Oh, I don't have space. Fuck it. We good on healing anyway.
Damn. Whoa! How long was you just gonna stand there? What the fuck? That's gotta be a dislocated shoulder.
Body, got him. Red dotting. Okay, I can grab a red herb now.
Oh.
True. If you ain't getting money, boy, you lame.
Boy, your barbecue.
Got more shotgun ammo here. Damn, I'm not
All
gonna
this handgun ammo and I can't pick up any, bro. I need to
I'm
figure
throwing
this
out
out.
this herb. I'm picking this shit
My
up.
item management is washed.
Because you got 4 guns.
Yeah. It's time to put this rifle to use, so I forget. Do I get
Yeah.
attacked over here or is it just you?
Nah, it's just me. I got on gold headphones, gold chain, gold on my wrist. Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm fucking up. I'm missing all my shots. Machine gun time. Shoot that motherfucker.
It's high noon. Bro, they're just taking these like it's nothing. I don't like that.
Oh, you bitch ass black motherfucker!
Oh, no, I
you
can't
snuck
see.
me. Turn. I'm getting too panicked over here. They fucking me up. Oh my god, are you kidding me? What the fuck was that?
Go! 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 Go!
Go!
I need to come up off of some of this rifle ammo for one of these grenades. So,
Oh, I am.
oh my gosh, you scared the shit out of me.
Boo. I got some rifle ammo for you. Oh, never mind. You ain't got space. If you don't want it, I'm throwing it away.
You can chuck it. It's cool. I was trying to make some space for some handgun ammo, anyways. This area looks familiar. Oh no!
Yeah, I started to realize it too. Don't drop the
Alright.
soap. Don't drop the soap.
Whatever. Oh, there's still people attacking as well. Man, that was a crazy jump, bro. Oh!
Oh!
That wasn't supposed to happen.
Yeah, I kind of figured. Low key, there should be some friendly fire. Cause I just shot your ass in the back.
Let's use all my shotgun rounds on these jackasses.
Oh, it's some shotgun right here.
Perfect. You know, when old buddy attacks, the grenade first thing going out.
Left or right? Loop de loop, then you pull them tight.
has never seen lotion a day in his life.
Man. I got something for you, dog. Don't worry, I ain't running. Okay, I'm running.
Alright.
Whoop his ass. Whoop his ass.
I forgot that he spawned while we're dealing with him. Oh!
Oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna shoot the barrel. Eat that bitch ass boy. You better move.
I missed! Oh, I ain't never did that one.
Hey, what the hell? Yeah, I never seen that. Oh, we dropped him? Oh yeah, dropped his little punk ass. Fuck him.
Oh, buddy go. Did we kill him?
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that pussy. Fuck him, man. That's hot. Fill the bottom. Oh shit. He faked it. He faked it. Yeah.
Bitch.
Yeah. Go ahead, take that. Take that, take that. Take that, take that. Oh, wasn't there treasure around here?
We're rich.
Rich. Come on.
Hurry up!
Roger. Roger.
Chris!
Okay, wait.
Come on!
Okay, I got space. Especially because I ain't got no fucking ammo. Oh. PTE time. The pride and joy of the 2010s.
Oh my god.
Damn, Kurt.
They made that thing go bonfire.
Free me.
Oh shit, I ain't gonna press nothing? Perfect. I used to hate these fucking quick time events. Did you have to press me, babe?
No, someone
Okay. don't know what that's about. Maybe it's off or something. I don't know. Good.
I didn't have to press anything.
Damn, you know what this scene made me want to play? Army of Two.
Hold up, I can't hear you. Game mad low. What were you saying?
I said this scene made me want to play Army of Two.
Sheesh, what a throwback.
Yeah.
That would actually be fun. I need to get
That's
some
my
of
shit.
that
See
in.
you guys. Delta Team Captain Stone. Chris Redfield. Shiva.
Thanks, Josh. I owe you one.
You guys know each other.
I trained under Josh. He taught me everything I know.
Shiva became little sister of the team. Now Shiva, you must continue your search for Irvin. According to the data we retrieved from the hard drive, we believe he has moved on to the mining area. There's more info inside it. We will follow after taking care of business here. And keep your radio handy just in case.
Hell yeah, brother.
Jill.
Chris, are you all right?
This picture, it's... forget it. It's nothing.
I mean,
Let's move out.
you could have said it. I mean, what was it do?
I know.
I feel like it wasn't that.
nothing.
At the very least, goodness gracious, my accuracy. At the very least, oh, it's my old partner who has
God
been missing for a couple of years. Like,
I mean, you're right, but god damn, back to that accuracy. Ooh wee.
bro, I was hitting the dirt a lot more than I was hitting bodies. Jeez.
God damn, dog. That shit is atrocious.
This is sickening.